Now, if you have higher order determinant, let's say like 4 cross 4, how you will calculate the determinant? Next example is, you have to find this determinant. This is 2, 0, minus 4 and 6. 5, 4, 5, 1, 0. 4, 5, 1, 0. And you have 0, 2, 6, minus 1. Minus 3, 8, 9, 1. You have to find determinant of fourth order. So in this case, we will reduce it, reduction to triangular form. Reduction to triangular form. And we will use the elementary row operation to reduce this to triangular form. Just to say, we are using this method to find the determinant. Otherwise, what you have to do, you have to expand about this particular row. So for each element, let's say about this, so you will get a 3 cross 3 determinant. Then further you have to expand it. So you will get the answer. But if you can apply elementary row operation and reduce it to triangular form, just multiply the diagonal element. So I am discussing that method. If you have higher order, you can reduce it to triangular form just to simplify your calculation. Otherwise, you can directly calculate. So up to third order, you can calculate. Fourth order, fifth order, use this method. So what you have to do? So you have to focus on this. This will be the pivot element. And you have to reduce this to 0. We will try to express it in upper triangular matrix. So we will use elementary row operation. So let's consider this particular and try to reduce this to 0. So this will be 2, 0, minus 4 and 6. And here you have R2 minus 2R1. So what you will get? This will be 0. This is 5. This will be 5. Then 9 minus 12. So this is 0, 2, 6, minus 1. And last one is, so you have R4 minus R4 plus 1.5 is 1.5 into 2 is 3. So that is 1.5 into R1. So this will give you 3. So this is 0. This will be 8. And this will be 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. And then 9 plus 1 is 10. Clear? So in next step, now this will be the pivot element, and so this is 2, 0, minus 4 and 6. 0, 5, 9, minus 12. So now you want this to be 0. So what operation you will perform? R2, this is R3 point, I will multiply 0.4. This is R3 R3 minus 0.4 R2. This will be 2. So this is 0, 0, 3.6. So 6 minus 3.6 is what? Minus 2 point plus 2.4. 6 minus 3.6. So this is plus 2 point. And what about this? 0.4 minus 0.4 is 4.8 minus 1. So that is 4.8 minus 1 is 3.8. This value is 3.8. And what about this? How you will get 8 here? So R4 minus 1.6. 1.6 into R2 yoga. So just multiply it. So this is 0. This will be 0. And what will be this value? 9 into 1.6. What will be this value? Means 3 minus 9 into 1.6. Okay. 14 point, this value 11.4 minus 11.4 minus 11.4. And what will be this value? 29 point. You have to check these values. Now in last step, this is the pivot element. Now you want to reduce it to 0. So with what value you will multiply here? So just divide 11.4 by 2.4 and see the value. Use calculator and divide 11.4 by 2.4. So you will get 20 minus 4 into 6. This is 0, 5, 9 minus 12. 0, 0, 2.4 and 3.8. And this will be R4 plus of, just divide 11.4 by 2.4. Yes, you will get 4.75 into R3. Now check the value. So this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. Just check this value, multiply with 4.75 and then add with 29.2. Check this value. And this will be 47.25. You have to check this. This is 47 point. Please check. R4 plus 4.75 into 3.8 plus 29.2. So that will be 47.25. Now this is in the triangular form. So determinant value is given by 2 into 5. This is 2.4. 2.4 into 47.25. This is 2.4. Use calculator. I am writing the final value. Final value is 1134. Please check this value. So this will be the determinant value. So for higher order determinant, we can reduce it to triangular form by using the elementary row operation.